Hi, good morning class. It's Kuya Mike, and for today's video, I have a short discussion about it turns out. Maikling salita pero napaka-useful niyan. So, to add this to your vocabulary, simply sit down and relax. It turns out is a common idiomatic expression that means unexpected result. Ito yung mga hinahinatnan o nangyayari na hindi mo inaasahan. Or akala mo, yun ang pangyayari but you're probably wrong. Example niyan, I thought I'd forgotten my keys, but it turns out I left them on the table. In Tagalog, para siyang, akala ko naman nakalimutan ko yung mga susi. Yun naman pala, naiwan ko lang sa lamesa. Another meaning is new information. So, mga newly discovered facts or revelation. For example, turns out the concert was canceled due to weather. Kung baga, ikaw na nagsasalita, nabalitaan mo ang information recently na kaya pala hindi natuloy yung concert ay dahil sa panahon. It also means contrary to expectation. Ito yung parang taliwas sa yung inaasahan. Ang sample niyan, he seemed friendly but it turns out he's quite shy. In Tagalog, mukha siyang pala kaibigan pero mahiyain naman pala. Pwedeng-pwede mo rin gamitin ng it turns out when you surprise. I thought I'd ace the test but it turns out I missed one question. Akala ko na 100 ko na yung exam yun naman pala, may isa akong hindi nasagutan. Yun lang, sorpresa siya. Pwede din yan sa mga realization. It turns out my favorite book is being adapted into a movie. Yung favorite mo na book, na-realize mo na ginawa palang movie yon somewhere long ago, parang Twilight or Harry Potter. What about irony? Pwede din. He said he'd never eat broccoli, but it turns out he loves it. You may also use it turns out when you want to explain something like the strange noise was coming from the attic. Turns out there's a raccoon living there. Merong ingay na nanggagaling sa attic. May raccoon naman pala na nakatira. Or kaya naman pala may raccoon na naninirahan doon. Bale, lumilitaw yung it turns out in Tagalog ay para siyang yun naman pala, kaya naman pala, something like that. Sa mga ganyan ginagamit ang idiomatic expression na it turns out, and share ko lang yung mga synonyms ng it turns out. Number 1, as it happens. Number 2, ironically. Number 3, surprisingly. 4, interestingly. Number 5, in reality. Number 6, actually. Favorite ng mga artista. Number 7, it seems. And number 8 is apparently. So, that's all. Maging matyaga ka lang sa pag-aaral ng English and you will be surprised by the outcome very soon. When you notice na na-master mo na, pag-aware ka kung paano na gamitin to, gamitin yan. Pag ang galing mo nang mag-construct ng phrases in split seconds, when your vocabulary expanded, that means you succeeded. But even if, don't stop to learn more until you can speak English fluently. So, see you again for my next video. Thank you for patronizing and bye for now.